supposedly magsa-start tong video na 'to on a Sunday, but unfortunately yung mga clips na kinuha ko kanina, para siyang hindi cohesive. I think isa-scrap ko na lang siya. And that's also why I'm recording this video instead as a replacement. Kasi ayun nga, hindi ko alam kung paano yung magiging storytelling ko kapag ginamit ko yun kasi sobrang jumping from one thing to another yung nangyari kanina. Sobrang na-awkward pa rin kasi ako mag-video sa labas. So, I'm trying to be as discreet as possible. So, sobrang shaky ng mga videos. Then, hindi lahat ng pinuntahan ko, na videohan ko. Kaya, eto. But hindi pa rin ako sure kasi I'm editing as I go naman. So, let's see na lang kung it will make it into the video. It's 2026 and it seems like everybody has this renewed energy na parang naka-focus pa tayo on self-improvement, and I could say the same thing sa akin kasi I'm trying to approach this year din better as compared to how I was last year, kasi last year talaga feeling ko ang daming aspects sa buhay ko na na-overlook ko sa sobrang focus ko sa work. Parang dun na lang umikot yung buong taon ko last year, and that's something na hindi ko ikinatuwa kasi ayun nga, I still want to have my life outside of work. I want to live a fulfilling life. And that's also the reason why I tried to restart this channel kasi I feel like it will help kung i-document ko yung journey ko this year. I hope maging consistent, but I will try. So, yeah, let's see how this year goes. Okay, so now it's a Sunday. Ito yung part nung video na sinabi ko hindi ko sure kung may isasama, but isasama natin siya. So ayun, today I'm planning to have a slow day lang. Bibili lang ako ng mga gamit sa town and then baka magpahinga na rin ako. Also, this is me having breakfast bago ako umalis kasi mas tipid, 'di ba? Hindi nagagastos sa labas. But anyway, ayun. Isang bagay na ewan ko, ginagawa ko dito, nanonood ako ng Hanoi, ay sorry, Taiwan vlogs. Nasa Ho Chi Minh siya, but like, ewan ko, fantasy ko kasi mag-Hanoi, TBH. I know hindi siya yung place na featured dito sa vlog na 'to, but like, it gives off the same fantasy. So, ayun lang. So, here are the stuff na binili ko lang sa town kanina. So, meron lang ako ditong colored markers. Ang hirap niyang buksan, but nakikita niyo naman siya. Ayan, colored markers. Binili ko lang siya kasi gusto kong um, mag-journal ulit ng mas maayos and like very maging creative sa pag-journal ko kasi currently naka-brain dump journal mode lang ako eh. I also got this card reader kasi minsan medyo mabagal na mag-transfer ng file from camera going to phone and then phone going to yung laptop. So, at least with card reader, minsanan na lang siya. And bumili na rin ako ng laptop sleeve sa Japan Homes. So, ayun.
Chine-check ko siya sa Shopee kaso na-realize ko kung meron naman sa Japan Home, so okay na dun. So, ayan. Good morning!
Okay, so I feel like I need to do an apology. But anyway, ayun, wala kasi ako masyadong na-videohan nung Tuesday and Wednesday. Kasi feeling ko paulit-ulit lang yung nangyari for the past after ng Monday. Like nakita nyo naman na parang pumasok lang ako ng work, nag-work ako, umuwi ako. Ganun lang ulit yung nangyari nung Tuesday and Wednesday. So I feel like hindi siya worth it na videohan kasi girl, nothing new. Then another thing kasi, parang I was planning this video to be like a week in a life. Like goal ko sana ipakita kung paano ba talaga yung normal na buhay ng isang working person. Working person? Ano ba? Corporate boy fee. Yung isang corporate boy fee dito sa Baguio. Yun sana yung goal ko. But then, ang ingay naman, Boje. But then, ayun nga, parang wala pa masyadong nangyari. So like, feeling ko wala ko masyadong mavivideohan. Ang something new lang siguro about this week na pwede kong i-share or like na kaya kong i-share is yung pag-pick up ko ulit ng interest sa Ang Kwentang Podcast. Basically, na-play ko tong episode ng Ang Walang Kwentang Podcast kasama sila Ina Evans sa YouTube. And then tawang-tawa ako, like yung tawa ko to the level na parang
pigil na pigil ng tawa kasi hindi ka naman pwedeng humalakhak na lang sa jeep.
so nothing yun naman. Na-realize ko lang na sinabi ko pala, okay, I will try to have a life outside of work, ganyan-ganyan. And like, sinabi ko pa doon na parang let's see how this year goes. And then, few days in, doon sa linggo ko, parang wala naman masyadong nangyari. Tignan na lang natin kung this weekend may something new. Ipipilit natin. Today is a Friday and lumabas lang kami for lunch sa work and then wala naman ako masyadong nakahanan sa work na videos kasi nasa desk lang kami nag-work. So mag-jump na tayo to the night time where nag-decide kami na mag-dinner sa Extreme Nespresso kasi inaamats ko talaga mag-Alfredo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit but like, ayun. But anyway, pagdating namin doon, na-realize namin na wala din lang Alfredo sa Extreme Espresso. So, anyway. Kaya nga kamay lang ako. Ang ganda nung, like, it's
Isa pong beef and mushroom burger. Isang parmesan.
Then, kuha ko nung isang mushroom soup.
The last time we went here, dyan kami pumes.
Yung sa corner. Gusto ko kasi mga corner seats, diba? Parang yun yung perfect spot. So, kakagising ko lang but basically that ends yung video for this week. And I hope na appreciate nyo siya. Of course, there are still some things na kailangan kong improve on such as yung pag-vlog in public or pag-take ng videos in public. Medyo nahihiya pa rin kasi talaga ako. But, ayun, I think as I go naman, mabibuild ko din yung tolerance and yung kapal ng mukha in order to really pick up yung camera and just record what is happening. Ganyan. I think another thing kasi na iniisip ko kapag nagve-video ako is that parang, will people find this interesting? But I guess hindi naman yun yung goal ko with this vlogging journey. Ang corny pa rin niya pahinga. But with this vlogging journey na ang goal ko naman is ipakita ko ano yung nangyayari sa buhay ko and to really document my life this year kasi para may babalikan ako. So, ayun, I hope na enjoy niyo yung video as much as I did creating it kasi
This is actually one of the hobbies na itatry kong i-build this year. Kasi last year nga parang feeling ko yung focus ko is more on work such that yung interest ko and yung hobbies ko nakalimutan ko na siya. Actually hindi lang naman siya last year. It was in a span of multiple years then. And I think editing talaga and ayun nga parang filming are part of the interest that I have noon na medyo nawala na rin nung tumatanda ako. So ayun. Yun lang. See you next week I hope.